In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a microphone to a Nintendo Switch or a Switch 2 here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up Fall Guys, and what you're going to want to do is press the plus button and go to settings to essentially navigate to the audio tab right here. Open up and make sure that party voice chat is turned on just like so. You're going to have to hit turn on voice chat, but once you do that, you'll be good to go. It's going to say on just like so, and you're going to want to find the talk mode and set it to open mic and adjust the voice chat volume if needed. Now, by far the easiest method is by using, wired earbuds in handheld mode, and you could just plug these in because they do come in with a built-in microphone to that 3.5mm headphone jack on the top of the Switch or Switch 2, and you'll be able to hear the game audio and talk through party chat. If you do have earbuds and they do have a mute button, you can obviously go ahead and use that as well. Just make sure it's not muted if it's not working for you. But essentially, if you have like a wireless headset with a USB dongle, plug the USB dongle into the USB port on the Switch dock. Just keep in mind that this method will only work when the Switch is docked and connected to a TV. On top of that, what you could do is play with on-the-go USB headsets. So what you're going to want to do is essentially just have a USB-C to USB adapter and plug that adapter into the bottom of the Switch and then plug your headset's USB dongle into that. And that is how you can use a mic and headset for voice chat here in Fall Guys on a Nintendo Switch. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.